ufeff in Python string. I got an error with the following exception message. Not sure what ufeff is, it shows up when I'm web scraping. How can I remedy the situation? The .replace string method doesn't work on it.
The Unicode character ufeff is the byte order mark, or BOM, and is used to tell the difference between big and little endian UTF-16 encoding. If you decode the web page using the right codec, Python will remove it for you. Examples: Note that FBBBF is a UTF-8 encoded BOM. It is not required for UTF-8, but serves only as a signature, usually on Windows. Output. Note that the UTF-16 codec requires BOM to be present, or Python won't know if the data is big or little endian.
I ran into this on Python 3 and found this question and solution. When opening a file, Python 3 supports the encoding keyword to automatically handle the encoding. Without it, the BOM is included in the read result. Giving the correct encoding, the BOM is omitted in the result. Just my 2 cents.
That character is the BOM or byte order mark. It is usually received as the first few bytes of a file, telling you how to interpret the encoding of the rest of the data. You can simply remove the character to continue. Although, since the error says you were trying to convert to ASCII, you should probably pick another encoding for whatever you were trying to do.
The content you're scraping is encoded in Unicode rather than ASCII text, and you're getting a character that doesn't convert to ASCII. The right translation depends on what the original web page thought it was. Python's Unicode page gives the background on how it works. Are you trying to print the result or stick it in a file? The error suggests it's writing the data that's causing the problem, not reading it. This question is a good place to look for the fixes.
Jeśli want tu simulę, proszę konfiguruj skrypting.